mga ka-fam, so today I'll teach you how to disable your touchscreen in your laptop or PC. So the first thing you need to do is go to start bar and search for device manager. Once you search, you must click on that and find human interface devices. You must click into HID compliant touchscreen and go to driver and kindly disable or uninstall your device. Once you disable it, you can also uninstall the device if you want. And for me, I just always uninstall it. And there's another thing you can do. You can also use this thing here, right? As for me, I use mouse, so I must uninstall the touchpad button because I already got a mouse. So here's the shortcut for uninstalling a device in human interface devices. You must click on HID compliant touchpad. Do not double click it and red button here. So you must uninstall the device and uninstall it. That's the only thing you can do. So the tutorial is finished and thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye!